Hello everybody. A couple of the recent additions to my front area here is furniture items. One of them is this table right here, and this table has a little shelf that slides in and out, and I may change the use for this again, but there's place on the bottom for things. And the other item of furniture that I got was this bookshelf, and this immediately just things sort of migrated towards it, and I think it's still a work in progress, but
Yeah.
it's for cleaning up the clutter and the mess, I suppose. And then also what I'm standing on is a nice carpet, and so that's new as well. And so what else?
I guess you could talk about the cart as well. The cart's kind of a piece of the furniture now.
Okay, so this carpet, I don't know, what style this is, but this is the carpet underneath is what I had for quite a while. And so this is something new to it. It's a new color arrangement and a new kind of pattern and things. And it's a nice outfit. And so got that as well. Took a little bit of doing to move everything and get the carpet under it. And still kind of, well, most of it's done, but all the little wrinkles I think they'll come out eventually. There isn't much left anyways. Most of it is just all wrinkled out. It's all flattened out pretty nicely. So that's about that. Anything more to add on that?
I think that's about it.
So we'll see you next.
Oh, what about the heating pad on the chair? That's a new addition to the furniture.
This heating pad has got four settings to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think it has a timer on it. You can shut everything off if you want right away, but if you leave it on, it'll just stay on for a while. I don't know how long. But so that's another thing. And this we talked about. And there are things that I forgot about. Just a lot of food I got.
Yeah.
And it's going to take a while to eat it all, too. It is taking a while to eat it.
But you're drying out the salads, right?
I try to dry them out. If anybody wants to leave in the comments how you dry out a salad, I don't know, I just take the cover off. That's the way I do it, and it doesn't seem to work. So if somebody's got a better way of doing it, I'd like to know about it. And so would everybody else, too. So